I'm Laura Bicker here at the presidential palace known as the Blue House in the centre of Seoul. It has been an incredible year on the Korean peninsula. Last October, Donald Trump was threatening to rain down fire and fury on Pyongyang after their 6th successful nuclear test.
The United States has great strength and patience, but if it is forced to defend itself or its allies, we will have no choice but to totally destroy North Korea. Rocket Man is on a suicide mission for himself and for his regime.
Now, he's met Kim Jong-un in Singapore and he says the two fell in love. Much of that has been down to President Moon, the mediator. And he's been to Pyongyang himself, addressed 150,000 North Koreans. He's developed a relationship with Kim Jong-un, where the two are even exchanging gifts. They've been given 2 very rare North Korean dogs, which will remain here at the Blue House. But how challenging is it being President Moon, the mediator? And how will he move forward in the struggle for peace on this peninsula? As the son of North Korean refugees, and you've taken up the presidency at a time when it seemed that the peninsula was on the brink of war, is this more personal or political for you?
나의 부모님은 북한 출신이고
My parents, as you are aware, are from North Korea, and they fled to the south during the Korean War, which incidentally the United Kingdom also participated in. And they had to flee their home and their family, and they never got to return to their hometown, and they never got to see their family again. So in a way, the rest of their lives were without root. So through this, I believe I feel that more than anyone, the pain of war, and the tragedy of war, and the pain of separation. This is why I resolved to never see war again on the Korean peninsula. And also to overcome the pain of conflict. These are my main political objectives.
When it comes to going to Pyongyang, that must have been a big moment for you. You've now met Kim Jong-un 3 times. What's he like?
저는 이 3번의 정상회담을 하는 동안에
During the course of my 3 inter-Korean summit meetings, I made a point of releasing as much live and recorded footage as possible of the 2 leaders having the summit meetings, as well as pictures of Kim Jong-un himself.
우리 국민들과 세계인들이 직접
We released this footage to the Korean people and the world media so they could see for themselves. And I'm sure you have all seen them by now.
젊지만 이 가난한 나라를
As for Chairman Kim, I can say that he is young, but he has a clear vision to develop his poor country. And he is also quite courteous and candid, and he respects his elders. So I would say he demonstrates humble leadership.
겸손한 그런 리더십을 가지고 있었습니다.
During your discussions about denuclearization, has Kim Jong-un told you at any point what he's willing to do with his nuclear weapons? We think he has about 60 nuclear weapons. Has he told you what he's willing to do with his current nuclear arsenal?
북한은 완전한 비핵화를 약속을 했습니다.
North Korea has promised complete denuclearization, and it has declared that it will be relinquishing nuclear weapons in order to concentrate on economic development. What North Korea is saying is that if they receive security guarantees, then there is no reason for them to cling onto nuclear weapons, and there is no reason for them to go through the pains of sanctions.
추가적인
So when Chairman Kim says complete denuclearization, my understanding is that it will start from refraining additional nuclear and missile tests, and completely dismantling nuclear production and missile development facilities. Also, dismantling existing nuclear facilities and missiles.
물론
So although the specific process needs to be discussed between Pyongyang and Washington, North Korea is actually asking corresponding measures from the US.
그에 대해서 상응하는 조치를
So between myself and Chairman Kim, we did not go into detail regarding the timetable and the specific processes. But I believe all these elements were included in the concept of denuclearization that Chairman Kim expressed.
서로 분명히 의견이 일치할 수 있었습니다.
So when it comes to the security measures, the security guarantees that they want from the United States, apart from the end of declaration of a kind of end of war declaration, what are they looking for? What does Pyongyang want from the United States before it's prepared to act?
역사적인 그 제1차 북미 정상
There were actually 4 agreements between US and North Korea during the historic summit meeting in Singapore on June 12th. On North Korea's part, they promised to dismantle nuclear arsenals, and they also agreed to return the remains of fallen US soldiers.
유해를 송환하겠다는 것이죠.
For the US, they agreed to put an end to long-standing hostile relations with Pyongyang, and also to provide security guarantees, and also to work towards normalizing new US-North Korea relations.
이것은 서로 교환적인 것입니다.
And these are actually being done. In exchange, these measures need to be taken in parallel in a comprehensive manner.
몇 가지 조치를 취했습니다.
And so you could see there are many measures North Korea has already taken. It has already returned the remains of US soldiers. It has already put a moratorium on additional nuclear missile tests and has already completely dismantled the only nuclear test site it has in Punggye-ri. So furthermore, it is also in the process of dismantling the missile engine test site as well as the launch platform in Tongchang-ri.
그에 이어서 북한은 영변을
And what Pyongyang is saying is that subject to corresponding measures from the US, it is ready to take even further additional denuclearization measures in the form of dismantling the nuclear facilities at Yongbyon.
종전선언은 그중
So you can see the end of war declaration is just one of many factors in the equation. An end of war declaration is a political statement that expresses that the long-standing hostile relations have ended. So once we get this declaration, and subject to further progress in denuclearization, we will be able to engage in negotiations to sign a peace treaty, and at the very end, we will be able to sign this peace treaty.
줘야 할 상한 조치적이라고 생각합니다.
So, this is the kind of corresponding measures that Pyongyang is asking the US. If Washington is not ready to delve into sanctions relief immediately, then we could think about various other measures at this point, such as expanding humanitarian assistance, exchange of our troops or exchange of economic delegations, establishing a US liaison office in North Korea, so as to show North Korea what it will be able to receive in the future.
북한에 미국의 연락 사무소를 개설한다든지.
So of course, if we reach a certain point of denuclearization in North Korea, then we would also need to seriously think about relieving sanctions vis-a-vis North Korea in an incremental way.
경제 제재를 서서히 이렇게 완화해 나가는 것까지도 진지하게 검토되어야 할 것입니다.
With regards to the end of war declaration, if the United States, they seem unwilling to offer this at the moment. Both Koreas have signed a declaration that they want it by the end of the year. If the US isn't willing to give the Koreas what they want, what will you do?
종전선언은 사전에 트럼프 대통령
As for the end of war declaration, I had ample discussions with President Trump as well as other US officials on this issue.
북한이
And if North Korea takes certain measures, then the end of war declaration will be a political statement which would announce that the long-standing hostile relations between North Korea and Washington has ended.
하나의 정치적 선언으로
So, we need to have this declaration at the earliest possible date, and I believe that there is a shared understanding between Washington and Seoul regarding this viewpoint.
라는 점에 대해서 한미 간의
So, I believe that it is only a matter of time, a matter of date, and we will be able to sign this declaration.
반드시 될 것이라고 그렇게 믿습니다.
On that shared understanding between South Korea and the United States, Donald Trump said earlier this week, when there were rumours that South Korea was about to lift sanctions, he said, "South Korea won't do that without my approval. They do nothing without my approval." How does it make you feel as the president of South Korea when the US president says that you can do nothing without his approval?
북한을
I believe that the sanctions imposed by the international community have played a big role in terms of nudging North Korea back to denuclearization dialogue.
경제 제재,
And in order to make further progress towards a complete denuclearization, we need to maintain this international coordination regarding sanctions vis-a-vis Pyongyang.
이런 국제적인 제재 공조는 유지될.
As for inter-Korean relations, it is being done in a separate track. We need to continue with our effort to improve inter-Korean relations. But also, this will happen within the framework of the existing sanctions regime in a way that does not violate the sanctions.
하려고 합니다. 트럼프 대통령의
So as for what President Trump said, I believe that what he meant was that up to a certain point, the US and South Korea need to be in lockstep in terms of consultations regarding sanctions.
물론적인 그런 말씀이었다고 봅니다.
Who's easier to deal with, Donald Trump or Kim Jong-un?
저는 그 두 사람 모두
I believe that both leaders have their own unique style and they are also able to make tough decisions.
그 서로 결단력
And as you can see, we have already witnessed the historic US-North Korea summit. And there's already been 3 inter-Korean summits.
이루어지고 그동안 남북 간의
And the process for the complete denuclearization of North Korea is being discussed at the moment.
가 논의되고 있습니다.
Although there are some difficulties regarding working level negotiations in regards to the timetable of this process.
대화에서 어려움을 겪을 때
Broadly, I believe that we are headed towards complete denuclearization, and this is all thanks to the bold decision made by President Trump and Chairman Kim.
김정은 위원장의 큰 결단
And I believe that if these two leaders had not reached such a decision, then it would be unthinkable that we would be looking at the resolution of the denuclearization problem through dialogue.
된다는 것을 이렇게 생각할 수 없었을 것입니다.
On the subject of sanctions, you are hoping to invest a lot of money in North Korea, 1.1 trillion won, much of it for road and rail projects. How do you hope to achieve that while current sanctions are still in place? Surely that's impossible.
그렇습니다.
Yes, indeed. As for the large-scale, fully fledged inter-Korean economic cooperation,
풀리거나
I believe that this will only be possible when we have sanctions relief or if we are granted an exemption from these sanctions.
용인될 때 비로소 가능한 것입니다.
So fully fledged economic cooperation will follow the sanctions regime,
그 제재
but until we achieve this goal, what we are trying to do is actually lay the groundwork for that time in the form of joint surveys, joint research, as well as all forms of consultations.
뭐 공동 조사 또는 공동 연구
In doing so, we are trying to provide a vivid blueprint to North Korea of what it stands to achieve
북한이
when it makes the right choice of denuclearization
할 경우에 북한의
and the kind of economic prosperity
번영이나 아주 밝은
and the bright future that awaits North Korea.
라는 것을 북한에게 분명하게 제시하는 그런 의미가 있다고 봅니다.
So are you going to be pushing for an exemption for sanctions with either the US or the UN?
북한이
I believe that North Korea needs to take substantive measures first in order for the sanctions to be relieved.
생각합니다. 유엔의 제재는
In terms of the sanctions imposed by the United Nations Security Council, it had been strengthened along the way following North Korea's series of provocations.
정성이 있는 그 비핵화 조치를
So if North Korea takes denuclearization measures in a sincere way, and if we could reach an irreversible stage, then we would be able to think about relieving UN sanctions.
나갈 수 있을 것이라고 그렇게 믿습니다.
Okay, so when it comes to your trip to Europe, how are you hoping European leaders will help? What will you be asking them for?
유럽은 지금까지 북한의 비핵화
Europe has been providing steadfast support towards my government's efforts to achieve complete denuclearization and peace on the Korean Peninsula.
지지해 주셨습니다. 그런 지지에 대해서 감사드리고 싶고
So I would like to convey my gratitude to the countries in Europe for this. And although this process has a long way to go, and there will be more bumps and bruises along the way, we will be asking for continued support from the European countries.
적극적으로 그 프로세스에 대해서 지지해 줄 것을 부탁드리고 싶습니다. 한마디로 우리가 추진하고
In a nutshell, my visit would be an opportunity to enhance and secure the understanding and support of the European countries towards my government's peace process on the Korean Peninsula.
아니라 유럽은
I'm also aware that most European countries have diplomatic relations with North Korea, and they have been engaging in the various forms of exchange with Pyongyang.
지속해 왔었습니다. 앞으로 남북 대화나 또는
And so, if we ever get into a stalemate in terms of inter-Korean and US-North Korea dialogue in the future, then I believe European countries will be able to play a mediating role in a creative way.
그런 대화의 교책 상태
Just as they have provided a very creative solution during the Iranian nuclear deal.
유엔이 해줄 수 있을 것이라고 믿습니다.
Europe has been on the path of integration for a long time. It started from the European coal and steel community and culminated in the form of the European Union.
길을 걸어왔습니다.
So likewise, I believe in order to establish a permanent peace regime on the Korean Peninsula, we'll eventually need to establish a Northeast Asian multilateral peace and security architecture.
주기 필요
So regarding the efforts and history of integration in Europe, I'm really looking forward to learning about their wisdom and experience in this regard.
이 유럽의
When I look at the history of Europe's integration, it gives me great inspiration.
유럽의 통합의 역사에서 많은 영감을 얻고 있습니다.
We'll come back a bit to in Europe in a second. You talked about being a kind of mediator and a mediating role. I do wonder, as the kind of man in the middle here, what issues keep you awake at night?
지금까지 아주 잘 진행되어 왔다고
I believe that things have been progressing quite well thus far, and we're also looking forward to the second US-North Korea summit. And it is my hope that this will be held in the not-too-distant future.
2차 북중정상회담이 열릴 것이라고 생각합니다.
During the first US-North Korea summit in Singapore, there was an agreement in principle between Pyongyang and Washington.
합의를 이루었습니다. 2차
So in the upcoming summit, I hope that the denuclearization measures that North Korea need to take will correspond with Washington's measures in order to facilitate an acceleration in terms of the denuclearization process so that the two leaders will be able to come up with a timetable, and I'm quite optimistic about this whole process.
이 진행에 대해서 아주 강한 낙관을 가지고 있습니다.
Any hints about the schedule? You say soon for a US summit, soon for Kim Jong-un's visit to Seoul. Any hints that you can give us as to when that might be?
일단 트럼프 대통령께서
First of all, it is well known that President Trump is busy campaigning for the midterm elections.
바쁘기 때문에
He's already gone on record saying that he thinks the second US-North Korea summit will be held after the midterm elections.
이후에
I believe that currently the working level negotiations are ongoing as to determine the time and the venue for the upcoming US-North Korea summit.
양국 간에 조율하고 있는 것으로 알고 있습니다.
When it comes to your previous summits, you've been seen holding Kim Jong-un's hand, you've hugged. You're a former human rights lawyer. Does it not sit badly with you to hold the hand of the leader of a country with one of the worst human rights records in the world?
저는 이게 북한 주민들의
I do believe that the human rights of the people in North Korea is a very important issue. And I believe that North Korea needs to work towards a path of universal human rights.
길로 이렇게 나아가야 한다고 봅니다. 그러나
However, I do believe that promotion of human rights through international pressure is not very effective. And in order to achieve substantive improvements in the human rights of the North Korean people, we need to engage in inter-Korean cooperation as well as cooperation between Pyongyang and the international society.
간의 협력 그리고 또
We also need to nudge North Korea towards a path of reform and opening so that it can become a normal state.
나와서 이렇게 정상
Through these measures, I believe we'll be able to see much further improvements in the human rights of the North Korean people.
개선하는 실효성 있는 방법이라고 생각합니다. 유엔 사무총장도
The United Nations Secretary General also came out saying that he looks forward to seeing the inter-Korean dialogue having a positive effect on the improvements of the human rights of the people in North Korea. And I'm of the same opinion.
그 말씀에 공감하는 바입니다.
One final question. It's back to Europe. How soon after the UK leaves the European Union would South Korea be willing to do a trade deal?
저는 영국이
I hope that even after Brexit, we'll be able to retain the free trade agreement relationships with the United Kingdom.
는 그대로 지속되기를
And I do hope that the negotiations between the United Kingdom and the European Union end up well, so that we will be able to maintain these relationships.
원만하게 해결될 수 있을 것이라고 기대합니다.
Even if these negotiations do not go well, I believe that we will be able to engage in consultations with the United Kingdom side regarding the issue of maintaining the free trade agreement.
협정을 지속하는 그런 길을 강구하겠습니다.
President Moon, thank you so much for your time.